You searched how to buy shares of National HealthCare Corporation, a provider of senior care and related healthcare services. The company trades on NASDAQ under the ticker NHC, and this content is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you must use a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with a government ID, and add funds before you can purchase shares. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker NHC to find the listing. Select the result that matches National HealthCare Corporation to ensure you have the correct security. Open the stock page to view basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker to make sure this is the correct asset. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or execute when markets reopen. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will ask you to add money before confirming. After purchase, the position will appear in your portfolio and holdings list. If you want to follow the same steps, the eToro link is available in the description.